this right here, basically, you see all this? This is the broad ligament. Okay? All this. It's the broad ligament. That's what keeps it attached.
Where is it again?
The broad ligament. Now, see these that look like adipose tissue? Broad ligament. Broad ligament. Broad ligament.
Adipose tissue talking about?
Yeah, it looks like adipose tissue.
Okay.
The adipose tissue. Wait, next to the adipose tissue is the broad ligament?
Like I'm just giving you a comparison. So when you see it, it's actually the broad ligament, but it looks like adipose tissue. Just adipose tissue be like yellowish looking in color. Now, right here is the ovary. Right here, you see where it's like a darker color? That's the ovary. Right here is the oviduct.
What is it again?
The oviduct, right here. Ovary, oviduct. Like a pale, see how the pale looking? That's the oviduct. That's the ovary. That's the uterine tube or the fallopian tube. Okay, and it's on both sides. So take a look, make sure you go on this side, the one that's not being played with. You can find the structure. Clitoris, let's see. Clitoris is really tiny on this thing. This would be the clitoris. It's right there.
Can you move that tab? Yes.
Okay.
That's the clitoris.
Clitoris right there. Then this is the bladder, the urinary bladder. Okay, and what else? So we got clitoris, urinary bladder, broad ligament. Yes, if they're pregnant, this area will be called the uterine horn. If there's pregnancy in your lab manual, you're gonna see like a little rat growing inside of it. That will be with a uterine horn. They have horn. We don't have horn. Okay, so you have the ovary, oviduct, uterine tube.
Can you show the ovary and oviduct again?
This is the ovary right here.
That little tiny
Yeah,
black thing?
and then right underneath it, which is like a little lighter in color, is the oviduct. This is the uterine tube, urinary bladder, clitoris, and what else? A broad ligament, which are all these.
The fat looking thing next to
This is also known as Fappolium,
uterine
yeah.
horn.
And uterine horn would be like if you saw a baby here growing, or here, that would be the uterine
Is that kind
horn.
of like the fallopian tube in us?
Oh yeah, it is. It is. Because think this is the ovary, and then the oviduct is like considered like the fimbria kind of thing, and then this is the uterine tube. Now let's dissect the male rat. So make sure this is this is what you'll see. That's it. This is what you're gonna see in a female. It's different in a male. You won't see this in a male. That's how it's usually.
Where's the uterus?
Well, the uterus. Well, their baby grows in here, so this will be considered the uterus. Yeah, it's right in here because there's not a particular. Yeah, yeah, that would be where the uterus would be.
Where?
So that one was pregnant, right?
Well, there's not. I don't know if there was something going on here, but some like in your lab manual, you see where it's actually growing. I don't think anyone has that.
Okay.
To be honest, I need a. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Okay, this is obviously a male. This outside part will be the scrotum, right?
Yeah.
Now, this is a nice one. Let's not mess it up.
Took care of it.
Thank you. Now, this would be like the dartos. We're not going to get that technical, but at least give you a little. This would be the dartos muscle. Right?
Which one?
Oh, actually, no, sorry. That's not the dartos. Dartos will be in here. Sorry, hold on. This is actual penis. Okay, you see? This is the gland of the penis.
That thing, that whole,
Mm-hmm.
what you're lifting right there?
Yeah, that's the penis. You can't miss it. right here. This would kind of be like the prepuce. Okay. Now this is a scrotum. I'm gonna be cutting it through right now.
Poor man.
They don't really have a.
Put through everything already. not
Yeah, this would be
bad.
considered the dartos. Sorry, this would be considered the dartos.
Okay.
See?
Towards hard dog, they're giving food.
Okay, they have it. This is a nice one. This is a nice spermatic cord. See? This is a spermatic cord.
Wow.
This is nice. This is better than the one we had the other day. Now, this is the testes or the testicle, right? This is one of them at least. Now this, if I put it laterally on its side, this is where you'll have the epididymis. See the structure going around? It's the epididymis. So this would be the head, the body, and tail. And then it leads into the spermato.
The tail is distal or the tail is proximal to the body?
Oh, distal. It's
Distal.
farther away.
Okay.
And then this right here is the spermatic duct where it would travel.
Wait.
Can you?
Right here.
Oh, that little thin thing.
Mm-hmm. Now, let's look at the seminiferous tubules.
That's
See?
the one we don't have.
No, we have it, but we just can't see it in a human model.
I see.
So I will ask you this. I'll be like, what are these fibers or whatever? You'll tell
What
me,
is it
say,
called?
seminiferous tubules. And it also, this is where sperm is being produced inside, even though it's inside the testes, but that's a specific, looks like spaghetti, like, you know, okay. And then, what else? And I definitely, let's see if I can find, oh, okay, yeah. Now, the prostate gland is this.
Which one?
This is the bladder, this little piece right here. This and this is the prostate gland.
Can you show the bladder again and then?
It's on top, basically.
This is the bladder.
That's the bladder. Okay.
And then this is the
The
prostate gland. And these are the seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicle. You see how you see how the females like kind of goes up? This is the seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle. This is the urinary bladder, prostate. Okay,
That's it?
that's it. That's all she wrote. I'm gonna go write these.